three players of Rajasthan Royals, namely Shrishant, Ankit Chavan and Ajit Chandila, and 11 bookies and their assistants in a scam of spot fixing. The modus operandi that was being adopted was that there was an agreement between the bookies and the players that in a certain over they would give away a minimum amount of runs, a certain amount of runs. The bookies also gave them directions, gave the players directions that they have to indicate that they are ready to give away those many runs. And these indications were in the form of, say, you rotate your watch, or you put on your towel in your trousers, or you spend some time setting the field and give indications to the players, or take out your locket or chain from your shirt, or take out both the shirts and the vest that you are wearing. So these kind of indications were to be given by the players, following which they had to deliver the over and give away a predetermined number of runs, minimum number of runs. Now what I intend to do is that I would ask my colleague, DCP Special Cell, Mr. Sanjeev Yadav, to give you a gist of the conversation between the bookies and the players or the go-betweens, and then show you the video clips of what followed. Now the first instance that came to our notice pertains to a match which was held in Jaipur between Pune Warriors and Rajasthan Royals on the 5th of May 2013. In this match, as already agreed upon, Ajit Chandila gave 14 runs in the second over of his spell. However, he forgot to give the predetermined signal, as a result of which the bookies could not bet in this match. This led to a lot of arguments and demand for return of the money advanced to the player, Ajit Chandila. 20 lakhs were advanced to him and 20 more lakhs were to be delivered. So the money that was advanced to him, he had to return because he forgot to give the signal that he was expected to give.
थैंक यू सर। दोस्तों, जैसा मैं सीपी साहब ने बताया, जयपुर में 5 मई को राजस्थान रॉयल और पुणे वरीज के बीच जो मैच हो रहा था, उसमें प्लेयर अजीत चंदेलिया और अमित, एक बुकी है, इनके बीच का एक कन्वर्सेशन मैं बताना चाहूँगा। इस कन्वर्सेशन में अजीत चंदेला अपने सिग्नल्स को बताता है कि मैं ओवर से पहले किस तरह के सिग्नल्स दूंगा। इसके कन्वर्सेशन संक्षेप में है कि भाई, हाँ बताओ भाई, हाँ भाई मुझे जाने दो, मैं सिग्नल दे दूंगा। पहला ओवर तो जाने दो, मैं देख लूंगा। ये अजीत कहता है कि पहला ओवर जाने दो, उसके बाद मैं देख लूंगा और अपने से सिग्नल दूंगा। बोला भाई, कॉन्फिडेंस से पहला ओवर करना और फिर कॉन्फिडेंस से ही दूसरे ओवर में हमारे लिए करना। तो बोला कि ठीक है करूंगा। भाई इंडिकेशन क्या दोगे? इस पे अजीत चंदेला ने बताया कि भाई मैं अपनी दोनों टी शर्ट ओवर से पहले, ओवर शुरू करने से पहले अपनी दोनों टी शर्ट ऊपर उठाऊंगा और उसके बाद फिर नीचे करूंगा और फिर मैं ऊपर की ओर देखकर अपना ओवर शुरू करूंगा। ये इंडिकेशन अजीत चंदेलिया ने दिया, ये कन्वर्सेशन में इनकी बात आई कि इस तरह का इंडिकेशन इनको देना है, लेकिन अजीत चंदेला ओवर शुरू करने से पहले ये इंडिकेशन देना भूल गए। इस कन्वर्सेशन से पहले इनका ये डिसाइड था कि ये अपने ओवर के सेकंड स्पेल में 14 रन देंगे, 14 या 14 से उससे ज़्यादा देंगे। इंडिकेशन भूलने के बावजूद उन्होंने अपने ओवर में 14 रन दिए। इसकी एक क्लिपिंग मैं दिखाना चाहूँगा।
Who've won the toss here in Jaipur. Slips that down the leg side, and it might have been a leg by. I'm not sure if he got any bat on this. Yes, runs given. This is the 4 from Aaron Finch, the first boundary of the innings. It's just strained down that leg side, Chandala. He's got to get that line right with the ball. It's a more preferred option as well, the sweep shot. He's going to bowl that line. He should have a man back on the sweep and bring the man at long on up and say, well, you've got to take a bit more of the risk. You're right, it's just the line for the field is poor. 21 on the board, and that's too short, and there's no one out there, so Chandala is wayward. Good batting too. Using the crease very well here. Robin Uthappa, this occasion, he gets right back in the crease. A little bit leg side to find that gap on the offside. Good batting. Sweep. One through the offside as well. Well, this Uthappa-Finch opening pair is the most successful opening partnership in IPL, in Pepsi IPL 2013. Before today, they scored 397 runs at an average of 44 for the partnership, with 4 stands of 50 plus. So it really has worked at the top for Pune, and you have to ask why it is unraveled towards the end. The rest of it's been all.
दोस्तों, जैसा स्कोर बोर्ड पे दिख रहा है कि इनकी 5 बॉल हो चुकी है और 10 रन ऑलरेडी जा चुके हैं। ये लास्ट बॉल अजीत चंदेला करेंगे।
Comes down to the middle order. They've been poor. Bowling options at the death. Their bowling options have been woeful, to say the least. He's really not bowling very well here, Chandala. And that's yet another boundary for Pune. They got 30 from 3.
Now the second match in which spot fixing took place is the one which took place on the 9th of May 2013 at Mohali. This was a match between the Rajasthan Royals and Kings 11 Punjab. In this match, it was decided that Srishant will put a towel in his trousers before bowling the second over of his spell, and also give enough time to bookies to indulge in heavy betting. As decided, Srishant bowled the first over without wearing a towel. In the second over, he put a towel in his trousers, and then, in order to give bookies time to indulge in betting, he did some warming up, some stretching exercises, and then went on to give 13 runs. You will hear snatches of the transcript followed by the first over and then the second over.
9 मई 2013 को जो मैच हुआ, इसमें श्रीशांत को इन बुकी लोग ने बुक किया था अपने ओवर के लिए। इसमें श्रीशांत के जो फ्रंट पर रहने वाला एक शख्स जो कि अरेस्ट हुआ है, जीजू नाम का आदमी है, उसकी और एक चांद जो बुकी है, इनके आपस का कन्वर्सेशन है, जिसमें ये डिसाइड हो रहा है कि श्रीशांत अपने स्पेल के दूसरे ओवर में 14 रन या 14 से ज़्यादा देगा और इसके लिए इंडिकेशन देगा। इसमें उसने कहा कि भाई सिग्नल देना, सिग्नल क्या होगा? बोला मैंने बता दिया है, ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करेगा जो अनयूजुअल हो। मतलब श्रीसंत ऐसा कोई काम ऐसा नहीं करेगा जो अनयूजुअल हो। वो अपने दूसरे ओवर में एक टॉवेल अपने आगे लगाएगा। ये इंडिकेशन ऐसा होगा जो कि इस मैच में वो हमारे अनुसार ओवर करने जा रहा है। तो चांद बोलता है कि भाई उसको समझा देना कि जिस समय ये ओवर करने जा रहा होगा और ये टॉवेल लगाएगा, उस टाइम में वो ओवर शुरू करने से पहले वो कुछ टाइम हमें देगा ताकि हम अपना काम शुरू कर सकें। वो स्पेल थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए होगा ताकि हमारे काम चालू हो और हम अपनी बुकिंग चालू कर सकें। इस संबंध में मैं 2 क्लिपिंग दिखाऊंगा, जिसमें पहला ओवर जो है, इसमें श्रीशांत जो ओवर कर रहे हैं उसमें बिना टॉवेल लगाए हुए ओवर कर रहे हैं।
Important game for Marsh and Gilchrist, two left-handers. Both have had ups and downs throughout the season, Gilchrist especially.
ये देखिए, इसमें श्रीशांत अपने रनअप पे हैं और बिना टॉवेल लगाए हुए। जहां पर इनका राइट हैंड है, ये अगले ओवर में यहां पर टॉवेल लगाई दिखाई देंगे।
Missed his mark by miles and hit him in the chest. Sreesanth. Perhaps not sufficient room for Marsh to cut. Good work this by the Rajasthan Royals. They've started well. Chandila got a wicket in the first over, had a bit happening in the second. Well, this throw from Fulton hurt Gilchrist, who was trying to get out the way. And then Chandila straight away put the bails, took them off, so Gilchrist is out of his ground. How's that, umpire? Gilly wasn't impressed. He started coming over to have a word. And then he said, oh no, sorry, I'm only joking. Sorry. Shot. Very good shot for four. Similar to the one Gilchrist played in the same area. This time it's Shaun Marsh. Oh, it looks a good surface. Really does. If you air and pitch too full, you're going to get hurt. Good drive from Marsh. Again too full from Sreesanth. Got to find the right length. But Rail Driver came in very quickly just to diffuse anything that was building with that appeal from Chandila on Gilchrist and said no. Straight away, we're not appealing for that. Changing the field now after those two drives. Fine legs come up and deep square leg out. And there's an Erd full again, and the change in the field would have been just to settle Sreesanth. With the field set as it was before, perhaps his thinking would have been not to err short, not to try and hit back of a length, but to err fuller. He's gone through the field on the offside, and Dravid saying to him, okay, you can go back of a length, and if they look to pull you, if you miss and you're a bit shorter, you've got cover in the deep. Got to be straight though, because if he's not, he'll go through the offside. Both these players don't mind the cut. There you go, there's that short one. It's well bowled, well directed, and certainly didn't control it at all. Spliced him. It's unusual to see Shaun Marsh hurried up with the short delivery. He usually plays it so well. Coming from Perth, Western Australia, on a hard, fast whacker pitch, he's used to the ball up around the chest, hip area. So you might say Sreesanth got away with that. You just got to be careful that it's a surprise and doesn't become the stock standard delivery. It was the right height. I think that was the key. It was the right height. Tough to control. Shot again. And this time being put away. It's Gilchrist this time. He gets it away for 4. Well, once is lucky, two's a mistake. And it's a second delivery straight after the short one to Marsh. Gilchrist loves it. He built his reputation.
दोस्तों, जैसा इसमें इस रनअप पे आप देखेंगे शीशन के टॉवेल लगी हुई है, ये इंडिकेशन इनको पहले ही बताया गया था और इनने कमिट किया था कि मैं इस तरह का इंडिकेशन करूंगा और उस ओवर में मैं 14 से ज़्यादा रन दूंगा.
On deliveries like this, short, not high enough, and Gilly will eat those day in, day out.
The third match, which was last night, was in Mumbai. This was a match between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. Here, Ajit Chandila was not playing, and he was acting as a go-between the bookies and a player called Ankit Chavan to take rupees 60 lakhs for 1 over and perform as per the direction of the bookies. He was asked to give at least 13 runs, if not more, in the second over of his spell. He gave 2 runs in the first over, and in his second over he was hit for a 6 on the first ball, 2 runs on the second ball, and another 6 on the third ball, after which he controlled his bowling and gave 1 more run in the remaining 3 balls. In all, he gave 15 runs in his second over.
पंद्रह तारीख के जो कल मैच हुआ था, इसमें अजीत चंदेलिया ने अंकित चौहान इन प्लेयर को दिन भर मोटिवेट किया और इनका आपस में कन्वर्सेशन हुआ और जो बुकीज हैं उनके बीच कन्वर्सेशन हुआ और उसमें ये डिसाइड हुआ. अंकित ने कहा, अच्छा भाई मैं निकल आया हूँ, बाहर हूँ. बोला अच्छा ठीक है, मैं यस कर दूँ ना. ये अजीत कह रहे हैं कि मैं यस कर दूँ ना बुकी को. बोला हाँ, वही जो कितना बताया था. बोला वो 12 कह रहे थे. तो कहता कि नहीं ये तो ज़्यादा लग रहा है, इतने नहीं हो पाएंगे. बोला नहीं मैंने बोल दिया है, हो जाएगा. अरे मैंने बोल दिया, चलो ठीक है, मैं डन कर दूँ ना. तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ ठीक है कर दो. इन्हें बोला मैंने 60 बोल दिया है उनको, मीन्स 1 ओवर के 60 लाख रुपए. बोला मैंने 60 बोल दिया है उनको और डन हो गई ये बात. बोला हाँ ठीक है. तो बोला कोई इंडिकेशन देना है. इस कॉल में उन्होंने अपनी इंडिकेशन बताई थी कि मैं रिस्ट बैंड को अपने मूव करूंगा, लेकिन बाद की सब्सिक्वेंट कॉल में ये डिसाइड हुआ था कि अपने सेकंड ओवर में कोई भी स्पेल हो, चाहे पहले बॉलिंग हो या सेकंड बॉलिंग हो, अपनी बॉलिंग के सेकंड ओवर में ये 14 या 14 से ज़्यादा रन देंगे. बताया कि चाहे पावर प्ले हो में ओवर मिले तो भी 14 रन देना है अपने सेकंड ओवर में, और चाहे उसके बाद के ओवर मिले 9वें 10वें ओवर मिले उसमें भी हमें उतने ही रन देने हैं. बोला बाकी ठीक है और बाकी चीज़ें मैं अपनी बीवीएम पे बात करूंगा. इस संबंध में 2 क्लिपिंग हमारे पास है जिसमें अंकित चौहान का पहला ओवर ये इनिंग की शुरुआत करते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा बेहतरीन ओवर करते हुए इन्हें सिर्फ 2 रन दिए हैं इस ओवर में.
But perhaps it's because he bowls that, too often you look for the error or the negative in the side that loses, and sometimes you forget just to say well played. And Pollard it was not only brutal, it was very, very skillful what he did. So I don't think Tom Moody came down too hard on his charges. Interesting stroke early on in the innings. End of the first over.
इस ओवर में इन्हें सिर्फ 2 रन दिए थे और बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की थी. अगले ओवर में
Maxwell's having a go. Pulled away and all the way from Glenn Maxwell. It's a good shot that. Went really deep into his crease. Glenn Maxwell, it was ever so slightly short and he was going to make sure that it would go out the ground. Times it well enough and then that's gone. They've been waiting for a start like this, the Mumbai Indians. Goes again. Work to be done by Pollard. Will cut it off. They'll get through for 2. Kevon Cooper, excuse me. They look the same. Both 6 for 20. No, they're both from Trinidad. Now look at the previous. Over the end of it. Third man just doesn't go. Slip bails out, so does backward point because it's his catch. Don't bother running after that one. That's Maxwell Stewart.
दोस्तों यहाँ इन्हें 3 बॉल में 14 रन दे दिए थे। इनका टास्क पूरा हो गया था और इसके बाद अगली 3 बॉलों में इन्हें सिर्फ 1 रन दिए।
It was Ankit Chavan who was that third man and didn't go for the catch. He could have had Maxwell sitting in the hutch. Instead, he's got a bowl at him. And this is the treatment he's getting. He's getting sent out the park regularly. He's going to try and hit every single ball off the ground. Rise and blast it. Sanity ends the over.
दोस्तों यहाँ पर इस ओवर के फेंके जाने के बाद अजीत चंदेलिया जो प्लेयर हैं और एक बुकी मन्नान, इनके बीच आपस में एक कन्वर्सेशन होता है कि भाई खुश हो गए सेठ जी ना? हाँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। ठीक है बताओ क्या करना है? बोला सेशन खत्म हो जाए फिर बात करता हूँ। सुना सामान अंकित के लिए? हाँ हाँ मैं उसके हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये अजीत चंदेलिया कह रहे हैं उसके हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए। बात मेरे थ्रू हुई तो जो भी सामान जाएगा वो मेरे थ्रू जाएगा। ठीक है जैसा आप कहेंगे मैं वैसा ही करूंगा। ये बुकी ने कहा, मतलब जो सामान जाना था वो अजीत चंदेलिया के पास जाना था, उसके बाद अंकित के पास जाना था। इस तरह का कन्वर्सेशन हुआ। थैंक यू सर।
Our team was present in all these matches. One of the reasons why they were present was because those signals were given could have been given during the commercial breaks also. So to keep track, our people were watching the match. And last night, our team was camping in Mumbai, and soon after the match, a decision was taken. We gave the clearance to go ahead, and in the early hours, Srishant, Ajit Chandila and Ankit Chavan were arrested, and so were the bookies from different parts of the country. Srishant was arrested on Carter Road in Mumbai. Ajit Chandila in front of Hotel Intercontinental. Ankit Chavan in Hotel Trident, Mumbai. Then Amit Kumar, he is a bookie from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. He was staying in room number 336 of Hotel Intercontinental, Mumbai. Then Manan, room number 336, Hotel Intercontinental, etc., etc. The details are given in the press release that you will be given after the press conference. Some of you may be wondering, how did it all start? It was an information that we had that the Mumbai underworld is indulging in match fixing or spot fixing, and they are contacting a number of bookies, and some players are mixed up. So we are keeping them under surveillance. The names of these 3 players came to light, and we waited for a situation in which all 3 of them could be pinned down. And it was only last night that Ankit Chavan delivered on his promise, after which we made the arrest. There is a case we have registered under 420 and 120B, which is for conspiracy.